Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's the Course series, we're exploring Vegetal de la Grande Chartreuse. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more.
All right. So this is the original Chartreuse. Before the stuff you find in the bottle, this bad boy, 69%. This was essentially made by the monks to be medicine. And it comes in this cool thing to keep the sunlight out. In fact, it's just like super dusty, and those thing was brand new. This was illegal in the United States until about maybe less than a year ago. So kind of cool that we now have them finally coming here. Prior to that, you had to get them from Europe, and you had to get them from France. So it's made in a variety of plant extracts and meant to be consumed in very, very small amounts. You can either put it on a sugar cube, put it in a cocktail, infuse it in water, put it in tea. But basically, so this is the original one from 1605 when the Duke of Estrees, they had the Carthusian monks, the manuscript making this mysterious thing with 130 different plants, the elixir of long life, as they called it. So, like I said, for more than half a century, the monks were making this thing. Of course, eventually, it was this Brother Jérôme who rode a donkey into the city in 1764 and brought this little thing with him, basically, as like I said, as a medicine. They called it the plant elixir of Grande Chartreuse. And so it was taking all the local committees to heal different things, especially cholera in 1832 was used during that. So you don't actually get the bottle version of Chartreuse till 1840, which is, of course, your green and yellow. Of course, yellow being the low-proof version and green being the 110-proof version. But yeah, so basically this is green to the nines. Since all the made was the same thing, so some things in there are, of course, the flowers, spikes, barks, fruits, and berries, which, of course, are fun out. Only comes in a home 100 milliliter bottle, and it's $30. So this is not cheap by any means when you're looking at a 100 milliliter bottle. So, it is what it is. But like, so excited that it's finally in the thing. And this is always store it in this thing. It's if you don't, it'll go bad. It has to not see light. Super important for that to take place. It's made in 3 different stages. Of course, distillation to obtain the aroma, maceration, which gives its natural color, and extraction to recover the beneficial properties of the 130 different plants. And like I said, the sparks and bark, roots, and berries, all the things that it contains. So like I said, it's basically its properties, and the reason it's healing properties because they use it from the plants in their natural state rather than adding all sorts of crap to it, which is kind of cool. So like I said, it's also used for an after-dinner drink. It's very effective as a tonic, they said. But so you can pour a teaspoon of it into herbal tea, like I said, or the toddy or whatever, or some lemon. But the other thing that apparently old ladies like to do, we found out, that I was reading about, was they would really take a sugar cube and dissolve it and then eat the sugar cube as it was dissolving with this on it, which I thought was super interesting.
Yeah.
So this is the super herbal, and then the main cocktail is used for is the Chartreuse Swizzle or the last word. So the reason why they poured them out is it says when you pour this out, it is, I'll show you guys. It's just a dropper. It's not an actual bottle. So kind of like bitters, it's a dropper in there. So you just need a very tiny amount. Because Will's like, why is there so little in here? I'm like, that's why. Because it comes out like this. So
Nice.
And it's 69. Like it's 138 proof. That's all you're going to need.
That's fair.
All right, let's do it.
Much like the Chartreuse yellow and green that we've already reviewed, this smells like Thanksgiving dinner. This is...
Yes, it does.
The stuffing of Thanksgiving. This is all of those herbs and spices and bread components. This, to me, is what gin should smell like. If you didn't put all that silly juniper in your gin, this is what juniper could be.
I agree with you on that. Yeah, it'd be nice for gin. I agree. But yeah, it's got, like you said, it's got lots of different spices, and there's like violets and roses and lilies in there.
Absolutely. Sage, cardamom, rosemary,
a little bit of oregano now, basil.
There's even like a Chinese allspice or Chinese 5-spice.
There's definitely allspice in there too. Oh, and there's
yes, and
clove.
What is that? Star anise?
Yeah, there's definitely that in there. And it just keeps, every time I know it just keeps changing.
Absolutely. I got cantaloupe in that last smell.
Cantaloupe, all right. Yeah, a lot. There's nothing like saffron, like you said, and the cardamom.
Yeah.
Man, it smells. In fact, I just thought about this. Is a liqueur that we got from someone. It's a saffron liqueur. We have to review that one soon. I forgot about that.
It smells good.
Oh, it just smells so freaking good and powerful. All right, I think I have to taste it because I'm ready.
Oh, that's intense.
Woo! Ooh.
Oh, but so lovely.
That's so good, but man, you get this crazy, like, powerful lemon at the front.
And then this black, is it licorice? Yes, it's black licorice that kind of creeps in the mid palate and finishes with everything else.
Yeah, the clove.
Star anise, man, it really kind of takes over.
Yeah, it's definitely more licorice.
Yeah.
The anise for sure. Then you pick up the saffron, the cardamom.
And I can understand why a little dropper of sugar cube. This a little dropper of this on a sugar cube would probably be so freaking tasty.
It would be good.
All of those flavors mixed with all that sweetness. Shit, yeah.
I think I actually have a sugar cube. Let me grab one. I think it's here in the bar. I think that'll be fun. Real quick.
For 30 seconds. Okay.
Here. See if I can still find it. If not, another time.
Yeah, I mean, it's everything that we listed on the nose and then some.
But yeah, even you're walking away. Now you're starting to get more of the flowers. And now I'm getting the roses and the lilies and the violets.
The lilies. And I was going to say the purple flowers is so much more predominant on the finish.
Even a little bit of like heather in there.
Yeah, that purple bush in Scotland.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, the flesh. Okay,
that's very interesting.
All right, I don't
know that I'm going to take a second sip of this because I think I want to add this to tea. I think I'm going to take what you've given me and add it to some kind of bland tea.
Soaking it up with sugar now. It turned the cube green. That's awesome. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell or not. Yeah, it's a green hue to it now. I just soaked it up immediately. It's hysterical.
That's awesome, man.
All right, I'm going to eat this and see.
All right, while he's doing that, don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic. Come hang out with us there. Or come hang out with us at the Whiskey Castle. Book yourself a tasting.
Okay, that's insane. The sugariness thing here is crazy. It's super bitter and super good. Wow. That's wild.
But the most important part, until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I have nothing left but sugar.